So now I'm cutting the top and bottom bars of the sash windows. So I've got to do 8 of each one. So that's the top bars. Now I've got to do the sides. So, I was just talking to myself then, because on a top sash, bottom sash, you have a bigger bottom section for the where it meets together at the top where you put the latch. So I've got to cut that out some other ones, so not enough. I'm at the point now where I'm out of material, but that wasn't a bad guesstimate. So I just need to order a couple more lengths to finish off the sash window order. So I just need to order some more. But that's all down to the fact that I have cut every single aspect of this now. If I show you on the drawings, with that first order, I have cut, ready, machined, door frame number 1, door frame number 2, window number 1, window number 2, top window, top window, top window, top window. Then I've now created top sash, bottom sash. Just haven't got enough to do the bottom sash. Created 1 sill, 2 sills, 3 sills. These aren't having sills because they're front doors. So now I need to go away now, sit at my desk, measure up to make the doors, measure how much material I need for the doors, finish off the sash window and measure up for the casement. So that's what I need to go away and do now. Thanks for watching. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go, and to mark everything as you go along so you can keep track of everything. But that is literally how you utilise all your materials so there's no wastage. Go and have a look at my other videos. Don't forget to just subscribe at the end of this video by pressing the button. Don't forget to look at all our socials. Western Timber 2024 on Instagram, Western Timber on TikTok. I am on Facebook at Western Timber Limited. I am also on YouTube, which is why I'm talking to you now. So remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Thanks for watching. Those of the eagle eyes, have you noticed all my new Odie's oil stuff around the CNC room? You can see that I have a good relationship with Odie's oil. Anyway, go and enjoy the rest of my videos and have a good one. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Thanks for watching, guys.